Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out through your mouth. Feel your body begin to soften. Allow your shoulders to drop. Unclench your jaw. Let your hands rest easily. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Feel the air as it moves in and out. No need to change anything. Just notice. Let your breath become your anchor in this moment. Now, slowly inhale for a count of 1, 2, 3, and exhale for 1, 2, 3. Notice your breath again and keep breathing. Inhale and exhale. With each breath, feel the stress begin to melt away. Let go of tension. Let go of pressure. Let go of the need to do. In this moment, there is nothing you need to fix. You are allowed to simply be. Repeat silently, I release, I relax, I restore. Take one final deep breath in and slowly exhale. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Calm, present, and lighter than before. Namaste.